Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren says efforts are on to construct Manipur Bhavans at Mumbai, Gurgaon and Bangalore to facilitate people of Manipur during their travels. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee asked Chief Minister N. Biren to justify his recent declaration to end corruption in jobs recruitment, promotion and transfer policies. Session Judge Imphal West sends convicted founder of a coaching institute who sexually harassed a girl student to 12 in jail for 2.5 years. And improper parking of vehicles on roads by irresponsible citizens, including government employees, increases traffic congestion in Imphal city, bringing flights to commuters. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren said efforts are on to construct Manipur Bhavans at Mumbai, Bangalore and Gurgaon. Speaking to media on the sidelines of the combined People's Day and Hill Leaders Day held at Chief Minister's bungalow today, Chief Minister N. Biren disclosed that the government has earmarked 150 crore rupees for renovations of the two existing Manipur Bhavans at Chanakyapuri and Sardar Patel Marg and to construct a new one at Dwarka in New Delhi. He added that the state government has reserved a site in Mumbai with a down payment of 34 lakh rupees to construct a new Manipur Bhavan for the benefit of ailing people from Manipur visiting Mumbai for treatment. N. Biren also mentioned that the government is going through a legal procedures for the Manipur Bhavan site in Bangalore, which he believes will turn in the government's favor. He said all official processes will be completed at the earliest. While regarding construction of a Manipur Bhavan in Gurgaon, Chief Minister N. Biren said acquiring of 3 acres land area is underway. He also assured that construction of Manipur Bhavan near Kolkata's Salt Lake will be completed in the near future.
Manipur Bhavan Delhi the lady ba animaxi amatta up to date way there animaxi loina sido oga sabu drakar le in the meantime animaxi sido na bagita makta anoba mafam madrakar le anoba mafam madrakar le basi dwarika da lawre ekar amagi lam lawre hariba dwarika da lawri basi sagal aba matungda house Bhavan ani ariba Bhavan ani sisu amuk thugai raga anoba up to date sabu drakar le aduna around adugi punbada 150 crore muk Sangak Puyai. State Sidaki lying was a lover. Operation is it Torga, Nasaki Hospital, private hospital, Kumakari Kumadati, Vasazi Yam, the huge Yam Banina, Laibungam Drava. Maduki Tola Kanda, the leader, Rain Tea, but the hotel the Labusungam, the Madu, Awama Mayuna, Karai, last I experienced the lay. Dorikadas, Hagadu Yumse, Masiki blueprint, the Yole, Rum Kunmumba, Tangai Father, the ventilator, Marie Manga Yauba, Aduga, Anabasing hospital, they suddenly Chakrone and a Tolaga. In fact, the Yobungam the labor later, Yamwana Liba Kambudo, Moidugi Bet Kundama, Sigi a blueprint, buildings Hagada, the Yaure, Masida, the state government get doctor Ada Kamgani.
Chief Minister Biren said that discussions are being held to urge the centre to extend the benefits under Ayushman Bharat to deserving households excluded from the socio-economic caste census. Biren also said to protect the environment, the government will make efforts to stop shifting cultivation and the practice of changing village settlement to new location often seen in the hill districts. Responding to media about the ongoing protest by SSA and Ramsar teachers in demand for their pending salary, Chief Minister N. Biren said that the government acknowledges their plights and is assured of holding talks with the teacher to resolve the issues at the earliest. Expressing his opinion about yesterday's incident of an ASI assaulting and threatening a truck driver in Senapati, the Chief Minister said offenders will be punished. He appealed to always maintain a cordial police-public ties.
Forest ki si there are some confusion in the state. Villagers in the Paibra, aduga forest na Paibra is confused labor. Aduga maximum area the unclassed forest was ki high river. Protected sunataba, reserve sunataba, sigi manung labor. Sagi the unclassed forest, who is the owner se? Masi classified or the village karana. Ajpan ganang mak nahan ma ko yam said kane. Shifting cultivation, we are trying to stop it. Expansion of village is okay. Kunji amma torgo ship torgo hongo galak habit amala ibase masi koi thingnan bakan honare the last 10 years only census na people recognized was only 14 village katane we strictly monitoring it aduga afforestation gi scheme sungarang koi forest ki koi review meetings yam kan honarga at random honori.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has appreciated Chief Minister N. Biren for his recent declaration to end corruption in jobs recruitment, promotion and transfer policies. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, MPCC Vice President K.H. Ratan Kumar said, people distrust politicians as they often fail to keep their promises. He said the Chief Minister should keep his word to gain people trust. Taking part in the press meet, former Moirang MLA cum MPCC General Secretary M. Prithviraj appealed to the government to conduct the January 20 written examination for recruitment of Indian Reserve Battalion, that is IRB, personnel in optical mark recognition or reading OMR system mode. He said candidates' answers cannot be manipulated if the examination is conducted using OMR. M. Prithviraj added that such procedure will aid in uprooting corruption. He also appealed to make Imphal Mandalay flight service a regular flight service instead of chartered flight service.
Akoi politicians sing si credibility si yamna lairakta adugumba akoi matam ama oire praja gi thajaba se masi mangsil masina akoi gi phil si da sanguba akoi gi su yamna masi akoi nungai ta haiba tare suguma matang asida akoi gi honorable chief minister yamna akoi gi promising oire ba Sri N. Biren Singana sumaina handaki IRB gi logo doriba masi gi matang da phongdok pirupasi yamna puning thogat ningai ni
Bihar da police constable logo gi recruitment si akoi gi moi December adwai da moi gi notification thokanda OMR Sijanaraga Togdori. Bihar na Togo Yaragadi, why not? The Honorable Chief Minister so highly riba ngasai statement to. Hena su justify tawnaba aduga praja sing su aduga more deserving candidates sing the su ekoi hena moigi yes si government si di khara phajana chin haibaga tawri haibadu oina bagi damakta OMR si tawba taragadi khoina ngasi haijariba press conference on behalf of all the ekoi gi paisa di piba ngamjadaba candidates aduga deserve tawjaba singdugi damakta khoina su yengaga ekoi gi tungda lakadaba recruitment sing the su sisina khoina president amoina lehauragadi tungda su yam phagani haidana khoina ngasi gi suggestion se tawjabani.
Session Judge Imphal West today sent the convicted founder of a coaching institute who sexually harassed a girl student to dwell in the jail for 2 years. Fine of 10,000 rupees was also imposed upon him. The convict is 40-year-old Laishram Ratan Kumar, son of Nungshitoy from Thobal, currently residing at Uripok Polem Laikai. Ratan Kumar committed sexual assault on the girl student on September 6, 2017. Ratan Kumar was arrested following a complaint filed by the victim's family to Imphal Police Station. It was produced before Session Judge Imphal West R.K. Memcha for the final hearing on January 13. Laishram Ratan Kumar was convicted under Section 1-2 of the POCSO Act based on his confessions and statements given by witnesses. Ratan Kumar was produced before the Session Judge for sentence hearing today. Defense counsel prayed for leniency in his punishment, but the State Counsel Special Public Prosecutor pleaded to award stringent punishment to Ratan Kumar under Section 1-2 of POCSO Act 2012. After listening to both the sides, the session judge pronounced the sentence. Special Judge Pokso Sanabati A. Noktineshwari has convicted a man who raped a minor. The man is 52-year-old Ashin alias Kashin, son of late Manganganba from Nungte Karvanmuang village, Part 2, under None Police Station, None District. It may be mentioned that the minor victim was left unconscious on Viewland Colony Road in 2017. Acting on a complaint filed by the victim's sister, police arrested Ashin. After necessary investigation by investigating officer of the case, a charge sheet was filed against Ashin in September of 2017 and the case has been underway since then. In the final hearing of the case today, the judge convicted Ashin under POCSO Act Section 4 and Section 36 of Indian Penal Code based on his confessions and witnesses' statements. Sentence hearing will be on January 16.
He was arrested on 11/7/2019. Then immediately on the day of his arrest, he was produced before the concerned court, that is the special court, and immediately the court had given judicial custody. So since after 11/7/2019 till today, he has been in judicial custody. Actually, the charge sheet was submitted in September 2017. But since the accused was not arrested, we could not start the trial. So immediately after he was arrested on 11/7 and the trial started on 13/7/2019. Immediately after 2 days, the trial started. Today, the judgment and order was pronounced and then he was convicted under Section 326 and 4 of the POCSO Act.
Improper and mindless parking of vehicles on roads by irresponsible citizens, including government employees, has brought much plight to commuters. Impact News brings you a special report.
People continue to park their vehicles as per their desires by ignoring the state government's strict prohibition on double parking on the roads in the Imphal city. VIPs and bureaucrats have lined up their vehicles in front of the secretariat at Babupara in Imphal West. Vehicles with nameplates and flag posts parked illegally on the Asian Highway 2 running through Babupara bring much plight to commuters. Inadequate parking areas are one of the main reasons for traffic congestion in Imphal city. Drivers urge the government to build additional parking areas.
Government mafam chawat piviradia koju khangwadaba mafam chabra laitamnina koju khamisine
parking je khara phajana sembiragadi hena nungaigani
mafam chaba mafam amada suman parking phajaba matam mani
traffic jam oiba minute manga da yobu yabado pungkhai ma punga ma hena changba sugumba yam thengne
mi silena okto kuma sing changal roeba private guy sinu changal neba al private guy sina hena ko gi double park to khula ami sina awabam di oi haitar
thak sida moi gi parking piri je parking je sida fajana park tawraga di hena kongoni public ta su nungai ni gari je kamai tawge da tungmang yeng na da bida mana ning momong da khamnarakpa liso da oiraga su gari masa da oiraga su khudong thiba yamna nangningai masa oi je.
Many other people also urge the government to take measures to curb such mindless parking.
Government su sumana yade haibagi kanom khak thohaninge ba
sing da lambi da chathok chasin tawbada yamna khudong cha da kong thabam bok leitaba phimam asida lenga asina mafam chabada parking machine kara hegatpina ba appeal tawjari
kumai haraugumba ningol chakauba natragana sajibu chairabugumba lakpa matamda parking leitabagi ngasai gi gari khamba laiba mayam jingsina su ngasai gi gyan tan mafam chan parking tawbidaba aduga nakhai sengna khoina tawba matamda su parking gi slot si khitang pikpa mafam ji khitang yamna tawragadi akhoi loina mak myam gi yaifana ba oigani
parking se khar marang kaina su thamninge parking thamam ju mafam chan thamba haitare
gari je hena lainarakpadagi jo anamba lambi je chin manena
gari singina ko mi singse hanne yengbidaba dalon wai sallamaga balon ek thore chakkiba makhong makuti ega lei hoba adumana yam taweba gari sing
khudong yam cha de bo yam wai bo chathok sin da koi ahal go chalakpa ko aduna yam wai bo
parking ama phajana sembiraga aduga phajana parking ama thamama thambaga aduna ri phai
crowd oiba jaga ni na ko gari smai kham jam je tasing na nungaite
accident su mayam ma thoi adagidi akhoi si pot yoli si ju pot kan tok de mona thingjala mina site adagidi gari parking ju oi hai oi de hai adu pakham da kham de lambi khuding ma maji khuding ma sorok ma pan si da khami ba gari mayam hina magi sumang thelung ju dum khami ko yum ma kalama leiragadi gari mafam ma thamgadabani si moi khangde dukan du da mi manga pamasu gari manga leirane ba thingjalle lambi sorok asukti matik chin gre.
With input from Impact News reporter Ilangba Mushuk and camera person El Kabi, this is Joyce Usham, Impact News, Imphal.
Security has beefed up in the state ahead of Republic Day celebration in 2020. As a part of security measures, a team of Imphal East District Commando carried out door-to-door search operations in and around Eastern Ground near Palace Compound in Imphal East today. Imphal East District Police ASP Thankochon Haukip and OC Commando Inspector DH Fuljan led the drive where 75 people were verified. One person without proper identification proofs was picked and handed over to Pormpad Police Station for further verification. A team of District Police Commando team, including women personnel, also carried out door-to-door search drive at Moijing, Awang Laikai in Thoubal District today. 45 people were verified during the drive carried out from 5 a.m. till 6:35 a.m. The team picked up 33-year-old Mohammad Razid Ali, son of Mohammad Keriuddin, and handed him over to Thoubal Police Station for further verification. As a part of the security measures taken ahead of Republic Day, a team of a District Police Commando also carried out search operation at Irengbam Mamang Laikai in Bishnupur District today. 350 people were verified during the drive carried out from 5:30 a.m. till 7 a.m. The team picked up 5 people, including 4 bailouts, and handed them over to Nambol Police Station for further verification. A combined team of Imphal East District Police Commando and 6 Assam Rifles arrested 2 suspected cadres of Pripak Pro from a waiting shed at Takhel Bazaar around 6 p.m. on January 13. The arrested persons are 30-year-old Moirangthem Romi, alias Robert, son of M. Kumar, from Pukhau, Iranpham under Sagolmang Police Station, and 24-year-old Lai Mayum Joy, alias Nongin, son of El Laibak Chow from Awang Sekmai Kuno, under Sekmai Police Station, Imphal West District. Lamlai Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway. Managing Director of Grace Hostel, Kwakaitel N. Brasendro, has clarified that no CCTV is installed at the washrooms of Grace Hostel as claimed by proscribed KCP People's War Group. He also clarified that the hostel has no connection whatsoever with Janet Academy. Speaking to media at the hostel today, Brasendro said that he served as a physics teacher at Janet Academy but retired in April of last year. He said cameras are installed lawfully at the hostel and no cameras are installed inside any hostel rooms. Brasendro appealed to those concerned not to defame the hostel.
Hostel da KCP war group na hybrid pada barum da camera khil le hadana hybrid masi kadom da lakpa ko source no ngasi ko ptv sida khoi gi ngasi phaw kanam na hana da ba barum sida camera khin ba habase othuk da bani na hariba phom se kadom da lakpa ko source no habisu su habiu na matung da ko sigumba allegation aram pawk singa se makada na ko phongdok bidana na hariba pawk sida sumi to lali habado tiket pirak na ba media ki thuda hajari.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Manipur Students Federation imposing indefinite ban on RDS Private Limited in Uripok. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Manipur Students Federation MSF has imposed indefinite ban on RDS Private Limited in Uripok, alleging the company's managing director KH Rajendra of swindling people's money. Speaking to media at MSF office in Kwakaital today, MSF Vice President Sajad Buyamayum said the decision to impose ban on the company was taken after many people complained about the managing director collecting money on the false pretext of providing jobs under various projects. He warned KH Rajendra to clarify with MSF on the matter and to return all the money he has taken. MSF appealed to people of the state to cautious about swindlers.
KH Rajendra Singh hariba nipasi ngasi phobo koi lotuna lakwa sina maram oirakanda RDS Dealer Private Limited Uripok Yambem Laikai sida laiba office asi ngasi MSF na matam kaktana koi athingba thamle masigi managing director oriba KH Rajendra Singh hariba nipasi si MSF ta athuba matamda changjara kadabane haiba wafam semsoi koi media gi thongda thamjari chamjaraba myam maroina lairaba myam dagi thabuk phangangane haina koi namthak tawduna senpham kaya lawsin khibasina maram oirakanda adumraba victim oiroba mioi sing asigi imung manungi magi mahi tamjariba macha manau singda koi masina koi violate tawe haiba sema koi MSF ki site thamjabaga loinana asugumba koi gi kano huralon chachaliba mioi sing asidagi Manipur myam na wakhan tabiyo.
3-day training program on rearing of bees using scientific method is underway since yesterday at Central Agricultural University in Uraisemba. Nearly 50 bee farmers are taking part in the training organized by AICRP on honeybees and pollinators CAU Impulse Center. Principal investigator of AICRP on honeybees and pollinators project CAU Impulse Center, KH Ibohol, told media that bee farmers can earn good income by producing various products apart from honey like the royal jelly. He added that rearing of bees also contributes in maintaining the ecosystem.
Lomi singsna adi khoi loriba khoi lomi singsna khoi bi singsna hana khanna mi khoi katum ro ga khoi ri pesa phang ro bram adu masi khoi na puthoiba khoi gi mathakta khoi ru na chingba mana puthokpa mayam leiba masi khangbi daba masi khoi hirel na ka haibisi international market ta khoi gi kg ma da lising trang ma da lising bo pi ade khoi ru ga si yam tang ba khoi kg ma da yam laina su lo bu ya si kg amada pa sohum ya kai digina ban cham bi bo pi.
Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicrafts Artisans CS Limited kicked off a 5-day district-level expo at Thiam Konjil Awang Laikai ground today. Taking part in the event, Bhamon Kampu Jilla Parishad member Golmai Kangchwana urged people to promote the state's handlooms and handicrafts. Various self-help groups are displaying their products at the expo. Community Network for Empowerment CON has appealed to journalists from various print and electronic media houses of the state to take part in the year-long media fellowship program on viral hepatitis. CON in a press release urged the interested candidates to submit their application forms addressed to CON President Nalini Kanta Rajkumar at CON office in Kaishamthong, Hodam Leirak latest by January 22nd. PHED Minister L. Diko commends a cultural session conference in Senapati for the Paumei Naga tribe of Manipur today. Ex-MLA Dr. Alexandra Pau, ADC members, officials of Naga Students Federation, delegates of United Naga Council, Chakeshan students and officials of Razeba Range Students Union attended the conference organized by Paumei Naga Students Union at Sanaramai village in Senapati district. Speaking at the event, Minister L. Diko appreciated the organizers for holding the event. He said the conference will in preserving the ancestral cultural dance and music of the community. Cultural dance and songs were showcased at the event. New executives of Tulhilal Educated Association T have been administered oath of secrecy at its office in Yaripok, Tulhilal. T, in a press release, said that an awareness program on drug abuse and illicit trafficking was also held on the occasion. Rising Youth Organization held its 84th Foundation Day at its office in Moirangkom, Tumbuthong today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portraits of the late members of the club. The club also held its annual general body meeting and inducted new executive members on the occasion. Lamlin village in Jiribam district held its 9th Foundation Day celebrations today. Speaking at the event organized by Yaipa Lamjing Lob Jiribam, Assistant Professor of Jiri College Department of Political Science, Dr. Arun Kumar Mangang opined that good health, education and good roads are required for bringing development in the state. He urged people to elect responsible representatives during elections. Adakshya Jila Parishad Jiribam Kangembam Janaki released a souvenir marking the event. Hilgad Gram Panchayat Pradhan L. Samarendra, retired principal of Jiribam Higher Secondary School, is Maniton, Assistant Professor, Jiri College, Dr. Arun Kumar Mangang, and retired principal, JHSS L. Ranjit Kumar attended the event. It may be mentioned that around 57 clans inhabit Lamlane village, 5 kilometers away from Jiri town since January 15, 2011. Ruda Academy Thoubal held its 22nd Foundation Day celebration at the school campus today. Education Minister Dr. T.H. Radhesham, Deputy Commissioner N. Vandana, Director of College Development Council, Manipur University, Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar and founder of EduLive India, Thokchom Mritanjoy Grace attended the event. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham also inaugurated the One Atal Tinkering Lab and released the school's annual bulletin on the occasion. Students of the school showcased cultural performances to mark the day. Certificates were also distributed to commendable teachers and meritorious students who have brought laurels for the school. Speaking at the event, Minister T.H. Radhesham said both parents and teachers have equal roles in molding children into successful individuals. New Public Higher Secondary School, Kangabok, also held its 22nd Foundation Day today. Meritorious students of the school were felicitated on the occasion. Ima Panthoibi Sana Kaithel Lop, in a press release, has appealed to the authorities concerned not to demolish the Fort Kaithel Sang Ima Panthoibi Sana Kaithel temporary market shade to construct a supermarket shopping mall. Instead, the association appealed to complete the construction of Ima Market at the erstwhile Tombisana High School at the earliest. Now the sports news. Sringingborn FA defeated JVFC Gilgit by 2-1 in today's quarter-final match of the first Moirangthem Jodish Chandra Memorial Invitation Football Tournament 2020. 16 teams are participating in the tournament organized by Old Jiribam Sports Association at Jiribam Higher Secondary School Playground since January 3rd. UBFC Hauklan will play against Sunrise Club tomorrow. Thangjing team Mekola bagged the championship title of 3rd Nauria Pakhanglakpa Kendra Veteran Football Tournament today. In the final match of the tournament played today, Thangjing team Mekola beat Wangbril team Langthabal by 4-1. Nauria Pakhanglakpa Kendra Development Committee organized the tournament under the supervision of MPCC member Dr. S. Manauton at Malom Terakha ground since January 12. Cash awards and trophy dedicated to late student from Malom, El Sarita, was handed over to Thangjing team by Sarita's father, El Premchand. Badminton under 19 world ranking number 3rd. Mairaba Luwang inaugurated Langchingba Indoor Stadium and Atal Tinkering Laboratory at Kumbi Sambalai Chekpal School in Bishnupur district today. School founder cum ex-minister Morangthem Okendro, school principal Manjula Raghunath Sharma and students of the school attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Mairaba Luwang stressed on the need to encourage sports players to excel in their pursuit. He hopes to achieve world's #1 ranking and to bag medal in the upcoming Olympics. School founder Morangthem Okendro stressed on the need to promote culture, sport and education.
Long-term goal day Olympic की target ni Olympic sida mayam nang ngamna daba India gi power ngamna daba adugida in ngahaning ba habidi goal gumma lohaning lawjaningi adu hojubu short term goal day hojik world #1 tajaba aduga lagadaba tournament mayam sida focus tawsabe adu gi tournament mayam chando watli adugi ranking gi oina world gi ranking oina adu dai mai pakpa oiba ngam gi do honda jaba de lejare haita
Education, sports and art and culture ahum sakotlan ba pamjabadagi aina ai atei building yamna kano to matik chajadring aida stadium sima hanai establish to ba hogjabani tumaina angang singbu scientific method ta ade scientific kano da world da angang sing sibu akoina kano to push up to ngamna ba idul live India Bangalore gi akoi gi NGO sina tumaina selection to birakpada ai si am haraujai
Punba Fitness Center in Nagamapal felicitated Takhil Mayum Lina, who has bagged a bronze medal in the Asian Master Athletic Championship 2019 held in Kuching, Malaysia. It may be mentioned that Takhil Mayum Lina, a product of the center and has won several medals for various athletic events held at national and international levels. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren says efforts are on to construct Manipur Bhavans at Mumbai, Gurgaon and Bangalore to facilitate the people of Manipur during their travels. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee asked Chief Minister N. Biren to justify his recent declaration to end corruption in jobs recruitment, promotion and transfer policies. Station Judge Imphal West sent convicted founder of a coaching institute who sexually harassed a girl student to 12 in jail for 2.5 years. And improper parking of vehicles on roads by irresponsible citizens, including government employees, increases traffic congestion in Imphal city, bringing flights to commuters.